Hello and welcome to Molto Buono. Today's recipe is the first and maybe the only tuna recipe that you will ever need. So let's start cooking. On medium heat in a non-stick pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I use half a shallot because it has a milder and sweeter taste, but you can use quarter of an onion instead if you prefer. Mince it and add it into the skillet. Take 10 peeled olives, cut them into circles and add them in the skillet as well. Next, let's take a few cherry tomatoes, cut them in half and add them into the skillet faced with the skin up. A small tip: to flip them, just tap them on the edge like this. Now we can increase the temperature to medium-high. Quickly chop some parsley and add it on top of the tomatoes. Make some room for the steak and cook it 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. If you have a thicker steak, you would want to keep it a little bit longer. Otherwise, to have it rare in the middle, cook it on maximum heat shorter time. And it's ready! We can add some parsley for decoration, some pepper, and a little bit of salt, mostly on the tomatoes. Let's check how is it in the middle. That is perfectly cooked. Rarer it is, it will have stronger taste, but it will be also more elastic. If you plan to cook it for 2 people, either use a bigger skillet. Otherwise, because there is not enough space, first cook the vegetables, wipe it with a paper towel, add some olive oil and finish the tuna steaks. Here and also in the description below you can find a list of ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're in a mood for another recipe, here you can find 2 other ideas for a delicious meal. Thank you and buon appetito!